Hi, this is Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and I just finished sending out the Trading Zone report to my subscribers for Monday, January 31st. Each day, I develop a trading zone based on calculations that are derived from Taylor's book method plus a few other smoothing averages that I use to develop a support and resistance for the following day. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with how Taylor's book method factors into developing a trading zone, Taylor's book method is based on measurements of market highs and lows over a period of several previous trading days. And using these numbers, Taylor's book method provides a support and resistance of where prices are likely to trade the following day. Now you're looking at a one-day price chart of the S&P. And on Thursday, and this was the Thursday candle, this red candle, on Thursday I sent out a trading zone report that showed the support down here, resistance up here. And I drew this in for you, and this was the Friday action. Friday action almost exactly fell within our calculated numbers. I'm going to go to the 3-minute chart for Friday to show you what that looked like. Here was our trading zone with support at 42.97 and resistance up here at 44.24. As you can see, prices opened in the middle of our trading zone, halted down at our support level, and then throughout the day traded within our trading zone range and ended exactly at our resistance level up here at 44.24. So these trading zone numbers, these trading zone calculations are fairly accurate in predicting where the prices, where the S&P is likely to trade for the following day. Now I'm going to show you my calculation for Monday, January 31st on the one-day chart. I'm going to go back to my chart of the one-day S&P. This was my Friday calculation. This is my calculation for Friday. I'm going to move over, and this was my calculation for Monday. A little higher on the resistance level, support about the same. If you want to get these trading zone reports each day, subscribe at timelessdollar.com. It's a monthly subscription service. You can cancel at any time. Did I mention it's not expensive, and it'll help you trade more successfully. Thanks for watching. This is Marv Eisen at Timeless Dollar, and I'll see you in my next video.